Welcome to part 2. This is where we're going to put all this together. What you're going to need is a frame, some kind of postcard that kind of matches this. I'm going to put 4 corners on here, and I'm going to use some of thread here that we used from these. And I am also going to use this book, and we're going to use this page. We're going to do something with some of these butterflies. And I just lost my page. Ooh. I kind of like that page better anyway. So we're going to use that page instead. And you are going to need your hot glue gun. So let's get started. Yep. Take your glue stick and glue that down. And then you want to glue this down. Before you put this on here, you want to make a couple strips. You want 2 of about the same size. So what you're going to do here is just add a little more glue and put this down. You're going to take your glue gun, you're going to glue all around here, and then you're going to put that on there pretty much as quick as you can, because this glue dries fairly fast. You're done with that. Now you want to do your corners. I'll show you one, and then I'm going to put the rest on there. They're going to go on just like this. But you want to add a little bit of glue to this, and it's really hot, so be very, very careful when you're handling metal with hot glue, because it gets very hot. Put it on just like that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these little pliers here, and I'm going to push this down. In 3 places. I'm going to do the end, the middle, and the end. And I'm going to do that to all the 3 corners. And now we're done. Now for the back, I don't want that to be plain. And I'm going to add them to the back right there. And I think I'm going to take this flower there we go. And there we have our cover, and we have our backing, and we have our straps on here, so when we get ready to tie this, we'll be all ready to go. It's coming together. Yay! So pretty. It is turning out so cute. Okay, so thank you for watching this second part, and the third part will be tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.